In this video, we'll show you how to mount your cPanel LED flat panel directly to the ceiling using our H-bracket. Safety and installation instructions are included with your product, or you can find them at lithonia.com. Make sure to review all guidelines before proceeding. Next, be sure to turn your power off. Make sure you're wearing the correct protective equipment. First, install the holder brackets with 2 screws, each in 4 locations in the back of the luminaire. Next, remove one knockout from the access plate and pull the supply wires through it. Now we're going to mark the drilling holes for the H-bracket installation. Place the H-bracket against the ceiling, centering it to the junction box. Then, mark the 4 spots for toggle bolts. Use a 1/2 inch drill bit to drill the pilot holes into the ceiling. Next, open the toggle bolt by removing the wings. Then, insert the screw through the front of the H-bracket holes. Reattach the wings in the back. Do this for each of the 4 bolts. Now, it's time to secure the H-bracket to the surface. Attach the H-bracket by securing the 4 toggle bolts through each drilled hole. Now that the H-bracket is securely in place, attach the cPanel luminaire on one side using the 2 holder brackets. Then, while supporting the cPanel luminaire with one hand, attach aircraft cables onto the holder brackets on the other side. Now both hands are free to connect the wiring. Make sure to make the electrical connections according to your local codes. Finally, secure the cPanel by lifting it parallel to the ceiling and sliding it towards the junction box to lock it into place. Turn the power back on and make sure your cPanel is illuminated. For additional configuration information, please consult the cPanel specification sheet.